got the left fender on. I'm securing the top here. They're not tightened up. I just tightened up the bottom bolt, which is on the inside right there, a little bit close. And I'm saving the front end for later. You can see I've got all the goo on there. Oh, I shouldn't have put that on quite yet. Oh well. But I've got all the clips, shouldn't say the clips, the cage nuts in place. So now, last one is inside the cab. Right over there, you can see that is where I'm going to access the last bolts for the top of the fender. So I take that Phillips screw out there, and I'm going to go do that now. Okay, and you can see, maybe you can't, right in there, that's where you access the top bolt for the fender. And you can see the holes all lined up beautifully. I'm just going to put the bolt in there. I just tightened up the bottom of the fender to raise it up a little bit so that the hole would be centered. Nice and snug. So you need a long extension to be able to reach it. And there it is. All secure and ready to roll. Put the plate back on. Don't usually hold the camera when I do it. Nice and snug. There we go. There's the fuse box right over there. Kind of dark, but that's it right there. I forgot to put on the top cage nut, but thankfully it goes on the exterior here, so no big deal. Just slide that. I should have held off on putting the butyl rubber on because the rain is coming, and I'm not going to get it sealed up. See, this one I left nice and pretty before I put on that top piece. Well, well, I don't know. But you can see it, butyl rubber came out nicely. I might have had a little too much on there, but that's okay. I forgot to add some butyl rubber inside here, back behind, to cover up the cage nut, and it's on the bottom of the fender, so I just took the bolt out. See if you can see it there. Just took the bolt out. I'm just going to push that out a little bit, put some butyl rubber back in there, this dum-dum here, that stuff, and seal it up, because that's how it was on this side, where it had the original fender, and there was no, I got the bolt out easily. On the other side, it had rusted because it was a replacement fender, and they did not put any butyl rubber there, so that's why I'm doing it. Original had it.